Hello student, welcome to my class. Today student we are going to learn the fifth learning outcome, that is create form reports using wizard. So student, in earlier video we have learned how to create the relationship between two tables, okay, and how to get the details, I am to say records, using select command under the where clause and order by clause. Okay, so now student we are going to understand how to create a form using wizard. So as per according to theoretical material student, we have to relevant knowledge regarding to that student. We need to have some table. Of that table we are going to create the form. Without the table we cannot create any kind of form. Okay, the steps are given in study material also. I will show you directly through the practical. So student, let's begin student. So student, I am going to start OpenOffice 4.1.7. in this I will just open a already created database because I have created their number of tables. So you can see student, here are tables, account, that is B account, S account, T account. So what I'm going to do student, I'm going to just go to form object, then after that I will click on use wizard. That means to say step by step, double click on it, you will see a particular the window will be appear in front of you. A background side, the form design will appear automatically. So here you can see student, here are number of tables. So here table or queries. So I am going to select a query 1, okay, and then after that one by one you can select it. Okay, this is available fields and this particular column field for form. So I am going to select all. So I'm not going to click one by one, I will just click on this double arrow button. This will automatically shift that particular attribute, I am to say table column, to my form. Or if I want to delete any one thing, so I will just select that particular column and just press arrow button, or you can delete all by this double arrow. So you can just shift it to the form for this double arrow also for selecting. Now next, here student, this is add subform. This is regarding to the what thing, relationship or the another one form. We don't want to open another one nesting form for that. So we are going to just create a single form for single table. It says subform is form that instead inserted the another form. The subform to show data from table query with a one to many relationship. So student, we are not going to specify a particular relationship table, I am to say relationship form. So we are going to create a one table for one form. So we are just keep it unchecked and then after that press next button. In next button student, as you can see, background also change. So here are particular way or arrangement of forms. If you select this one thing, backside you can see student, this will come, okay, and here label only, like this table also, and like this also. So I am going to just first one thing, that is columnar table, okay, and then after that press next button. Then you can see this option will show you select data entry mode. Actually student, this is data entry mode. The first option says that the form is to be used enter data only, okay, and exit data will not display, okay. So whatever you will enter the data, it will enter, but data will not show in form. In second one thing, the form is display for all, okay. For example, do not allow modification existing data, do not allow deletion of data, do not allow addition of new data, okay. So what we are going to do student, we are going to do all operation for the day. So we will just keep it like select this one thing and keep it uncheck these three options, and now press next button. Now you can see this is apply and style. So at backside student, you can see if I'll just click on flat, it will look like in a border flat and no border like this. So I'm going to just use a 3D look, okay, it will better for us. And now you can use background as violet, bright blue, light gray, dark, orange, ice blue, okay, gray. So whatever the color you require or want from the option, you need to just select it. So I'm going to select orange color, and then after that press next option. So it will ask you the name of the query. Suppose that my query 1, so let it be in query 1, otherwise you can change it, it's up to you. And then press finish button. After clicking the finish button, you will see this such type of form will appear in front of you. You can see navigation bar here. It is next record. Now you can see 4, 5, then so on. Okay, if you want to enter new detail, you have to just click on this, press account type 5, and here suppose that Ramesh Kumar Verma. Okay, an account name, suppose the number, suppose that 786 whatever, account type current. Okay, then after that you can see save record. You have to just press save. Okay, so now you can save it, and then you can see this number. Okay, so now you can put it back. Okay, there is duplicate number, so what I'm going to do 8 here because of primary key. Now record has been saved. So now you can see first record, then you can see second record, that is account number 4, fifth record Ramkishore Verma, and here is Ramkishore Verma again. You can see, so here account number is different, maybe similar name. Here is current saving account, and here is a current account. So student, these are navigation. This will show you the number of the record. Suppose that number 1, you can see number 1. You can directly type the number like 5th, you can see, or this one thing first record, this one thing last record, this one thing again first, and next button next record, and this is previous button for previous record. Okay, and these are the buttons for deleting also. Suppose that I'm going to just delete one, so you can see delete record. So it will ask you intend to delete one record, press yes button. Now you can see last record will definitely nothing, I'm going to say blank. Okay, last record is 5. So student, today we have learned how to create a form through the wizard. You can go through to the steps that is given in study material. Okay, so here are the same steps are given there. You have to select form, object, then click on create wizard. Then after that this window will appear in front of you. You will select the appropriate column for your query, and then after that you will selecting the field. From there you can just add relationship or not. We are going to create only single one particular table report. So after that you can just show the arrangement of controls, and then you can see where you want to apply for all operation or not, and then press next button. Then overall you can see the style, that light gray, blue, orange, and at last it will ask you to find the name, and then after that press next button. You can see this form will be created. I hope student you have learned well, and this is navigation toolbar that I given an example and practical also. By directly typing number you can see the record number, first one, previous, next, last one, create one, save, and at last a delete option. Okay student, so you can see how to create a table. Okay, I'm saying record using form also. Okay student, I hope you have learned it well. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.